In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly branding from your booking page. Let's dive right in and make your scheduling page look more polished and personalized. First things first, you'll need to access your account settings. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner. There, you'll see your avatar icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. We are interested in the one labeled Branding. Click on that, and it will take you to the section where you can customize how your Calendly looks. Now that you're in the branding section, it's time to disable the Calendly branding. You'll see a toggle labeled Use Calendly Branding. Slide this button to the left to turn it off. This simple action will remove any Calendly branded elements from your booking page. It's a great feature if you're aiming for a more streamlined and professional look for your business. After you've turned off the branding, you'll need to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it to confirm. This step is vital because it ensures that all the adjustments you've made are applied and that your booking page reflects these changes immediately. It's important to note what happens after you complete these steps. By disabling the Calendly branding, you're removing all instances of the Powered by Calendly banner from your booking page. This not only makes the page look cleaner, but also gives it a more personalized touch. Additionally, the changes don't stop there. Any confirmation and notification emails sent to your invitees will now feature your profile picture instead of the default Calendly logo. These adjustments can make a big difference in how your brand is perceived by your clients and invitees. For those of you who are part of a larger organization or team, there's one more thing to be aware of. You might have to reach out to your organization's owner to ensure that the Apply to All Users option is disabled. If it's not, there's a possibility that the branding might reappear because of the organization's settings. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the Calendly branding from your booking page. By following along, you've taken the necessary actions to ensure your scheduling tools align better with your brand's image. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.